morning, prep class. How are you all? Okay, today we are going to do art activity. Which activity? In art activity, we have to do color in the fish with thumb printing. Okay? Okay, ji. Are you ready? Okay, ji. Let's start our activity. You have to put one thumb in the color. Okay? One by one, बेटा. Very good. Okay, जी. देखते हैं सबसे प्यारी फिश कौन बनाता है. Well done. Very good. Very good, Asadullah. Zoha, very good. Green table, are you ready? Yes! Okay, ji, start. Asma and Alisa doing very well. Okay, red table. Table. Are you ready? Yes. Okay, start your work. Start your activity. Up. Very good, Abdullah. Very good. Good. Zan, are you ready? Yes. Start.